gonna do for you, it's gonna cook up the ultimate barbecue dinner. Prime roast. Look at that, prime rib roast right there. Does that look good or what? Fat cap right on top, it's gonna just melt all that beautiful flavor into that piece of meat. Marbling in there, gonna do the same. It's got the bone in it. Can you see the bones right there? It's gonna infuse some serious flavor into that meat. Outstanding. The only thing we're gonna do with this, hit it with a little herb crust. Starting out with some rosemary. Some oregano. Take the tops right off of these. Smells good. How about some thyme? Right here. How about some summer savory? Okay, now we got our herbs. Gonna spice it up a little bit. Some horseradish. This will definitely take it up a notch, won't it? Let's go to 2.5, all right? Horseradish, a little garlic. Yeah. Crank that up. Y'all like garlic? Yeah. It's a big piece of meat. We need a lot of garlic, all right? Extra virgin olive oil. And a little crack of pepper. Okay, now the fun part. I do like this part. So what we're gonna do, mix this up a little bit and just lather this prime rib roast with a nice crust. Nice. Get it in there. That thing is ready to go to the grill, I can guarantee you that. But before I go there, I want to make you a special smoke pouch because I'm going to use some rosemary and some thyme. And what I've done is I've had these drying out for a couple weeks' time. I like to double up on my foil so there's no leakage. You just take this, 2 parts wet to 1 part dry here. Just fold over the top. Remember, that's a nice woody herb. It's gonna help impart and infuse a beautiful smoky flavor into your prime rib. Aerate this bad boy. That's how you make an herb special smoke pouch. And now we're gonna take this, I'm gonna head right over to the grill and get busy with a beautiful Sunday dinner. Let's go. Oh. Okay, we're gonna do some indirect grilling right here, okay? We got heat here, no heat there. Right over the heat, that's where we're gonna take our special rosemary and thyme smoke pouch, place it right directly over the heat. Now make sure that the smoke pouch is not too big where it covers the entire heat element. You want heat to get around the side so it infuses our big hunkin' roast right here with all those beautiful flavors, okay? And now we're gonna take this main event contender, big boy heavyweight right there, put them right in the drip pan because we wanna catch all those juices and we're gonna reuse those juices and baste and continue to hit it with some flavor. Now we're looking for 300 Fahrenheit, about 155 Celsius is our temperature, about 15 to 20 minutes per pound. Shut the lid and let that smoke just come over there and just kiss that roast and just make it fall off the bone. I'm gonna slide right over here, and y'all ready for this? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. That special smoke pouch has been working magic. Now, if you're a little worried about whether or not it's done or side, get you one of these, little temperature gauge, stick it right down the middle. Be sure not to hit your bone there because that'll throw off the temperature. And you're looking for about 140 right in the center. This is 137. I think we're really close. Cook this a little bit longer. And then what I want you to do, will you promise me you'll do this? Yeah. Put it on the plate and tin it. Put some foil over it and let it rest for a half an hour. That way, that piece of meat will be able to relax and every bite will be delicious and juicy.